What is going on, guys? Welcome back to F Body Addicts. Today's episode on Project Venom 2.0. I'm going to show you guys how to install these GTS smoked headlight covers. They also come in clear. It's up to what style you want. I chose a smoke because I think it would look cool. And I'm going to show you guys the proper way to install them. I'm going to try to secure them better so if you eventually go on the highway with these on, they don't blow off. That's what they're known for doing, but they look cool. But if you don't do it, if you don't secure it more than what it says instructed, you might lose one. But other than that, I'm going to get straight to the point and show you guys how you get them done, and I'm going to review them also. Alright, so I got one installed. And I don't like the fitment on it, because you get a gap like this. But I read on the forums that is normal. And you got a gap like this, but what I'm trying to do is get this to lay level across here in this little bracket that it comes with. There's a support bracket. It looks like that, but it has a rounded end on it. And you get these 3M tape and 8 screws. So what I'm about to do is when I get these marked, I'm about to send these through because this 3M tape, double side tape, does not hold. Alright, so I get the driver's side installed. I use blue masking tape to mark where these sit. It's probably the best fitment I've gotten out of them on this side. And GTS styling, it's a quality product. But the fitment sucks. I see why people get rid of these things. They look cool. They really do. I really like them. But now I'm going to start on the other side, learn what I did on this side, and transfer it over there. Alright, so here's the passenger side finally installed. I got this gap right here. I guess that's common. Same gap on this side. I try to make them as flush as I can. And I guess this will go down with the hood. Yeah, it's probably the best I got out of them. I mean, from a distance, they look freaking nice. I like them. But it just sucks how the fitment is on these, and people complain a lot about them. I get it now. I always wanted to set on a 3rd gen, and this car had them originally from a long time owner before me. His nephew told me, yeah, because I sent him pictures of the mounting holes that were on here. But other than that, I'm going to clean it up and see how it looks with the hood closed. Now, that's with the hood closed. And if I say so myself, it does look freaking awesome with the freaking covers on. And I like them, but it's just a pain to install them because you got to sit there and mess with them, get the fitment right. And it's probably the best I'm going to get out of them. And I'm not complaining because that's the flushest I got. And it just makes it look smoother, in my opinion. So here's what they look like with the brights on, with the headlights on. Looks decent. Looks decent. It's showing up brighter on camera than it really is. It makes it look like the LED bulbs in there. But I don't have LED bulbs in it. It's all still halogen. So let's shut the low beams off. Okay. The low beams are off. And that's what you get right there. I mean, these cars suck to drive at night because how bad the headlights are. I will be putting LEDs in them. I just wanted a thing to make it look smoother with the transitions and stuff. But yeah, that's what you get for headlights with the tuning covers on. Well, guys, with them installed, and my honest opinion about them, they look freaking cool. I'll admit that some people will hate the taste of them. The black smoked out against the purple haze looks freaking awesome. And the thing that killed me is having to finagle it, keep messing with it to get the fitment right. Because this is the right part number for 85 through 92 front fascias, because 82 through 84 were different. because they were more rectangle. But if you guys want to do it, take your time, go over it twice like I did, because I had to do the driver's side twice, because I tried 2 different methods of mounting it. I taped them off exactly right where I want to lay them, like on the outside of the bumper like you guys saw. That was the best way for me to get the fitment on them. And it's up to you guys. If you guys want to run these, I know a lot of guys did in the 90s. In my opinion, it just looks cool. But I'll see you guys on the next video. We're going to start doing some stuff to this motor to make it more power and fix a few things like oil leaks, etc. I'll see you guys then.